Image formation, different positions. Here we have to show different positions on C, on focal point, between F and C, between mirror and F, behind C. Okay, if you are keeping object in different positions, okay, there forms different images like real or virtual or diminished or elongated, yes, inverted or erect or same in size. Okay, these are the points we can find each and every diagram. Okay, first condition, where object is placed on C. Okay, look at here, this is a concave mirror. Yes, in concave mirror, okay, it is object. Yes, object is placed on C. Object placed on C. Now you have to imagine how image is formed by the ray diagrams. How many are involved in this? Two are involved. Okay, first one is parallel to principal axis after meeting, passing through focus, first ray. Second is passing through focus and parallel to principal axis. Yes, after met, okay, two reflected rays are one place, that place image is formed. Okay, this is image is formed. Where image is formed? Image also formed on the C. If you keep the object on C, image also formed. Image formed. Image you can represent with I. Yes, I formed on C only. Object is placed on C, image also formed on the C. Next, second point you have to convert. It is a real or virtual. How to find it is? Image, where it is image formed? Inside the mirror. Inside the mirror. Okay, that's why second point you have to say it is what? Real image. Image is what? Real. Okay, first point over. Second point, erect or invert. How it is looks like? Downward. If it is upward, erect, downward. Okay, that's why image is what? Inverted. Image is what? Inverted. Okay, next point, elongated or diminished or same size. How it will be? Look at here, object and image both are in what? Same size. How these are? Same size. Okay, this is nature of image. What I written here? Yes, where image is formed? Image is formed on the C only. The nature of image is what? Real, inverted, same size. Okay, before the mirror, real. Okay, it is inverted. Okay, next, when compared to the object and image, both are in what? Same size. Okay, these are the 4 points you have to write when object is placed on the C. Second condition is where object is placed on the focus. They are keeping on focus. Okay, how many rays are involved in this? Okay, first ray, look at here, parallel to principal axis and passing through focus. R1 is over. Now second condition is what? It has to move from the F, but object on the F, how it can move? It's not possible. F2 is not possible. That's why which one is involved in this? R3 is involved. Yes, what is the nature of R3? It has to pass through the center of curvature and reflect in the same path. Now look at here. Yes, this is incident ray is passing through focus. And also which is getting what? Same path upward. Now look at here. These reflected rays are not met any place. It is going parallelly. How much distance it will go? Okay, that's why image is not formed. Okay, that's why I have to write here. It is what? Infinity. What you have to write? Infinity. Okay, no nature. Same size or invert or real. Okay, no same size. Okay, that's why image is not formed. Yes, at that point. Okay, the rays, how much distance it will go? This goes what? Parallelly. Yes, somewhere it has to met reflected ray. Two reflected rays are met somewhere, but in this situation, if you are keeping object on the F, okay, there is no chance to meet two reflected rays. Okay, that's why it is what infinity. Okay, third one, between F and C. Okay, this is a object where we kept, okay, object kept on the between F and C. If you are keeping object between F and C, okay, this is the object. First R1 parallel to principal axis and passing through focus. Second one, passing through focus and parallel to principal axis. Okay, where two rays are met in this position. Okay, their image is formed. Yes, where image is formed? Image is formed behind the C. See where it is, which is what? Behind C. Where image is formed? Behind C. Now you write real or virtual. Look at here. It is mirror. Inside the mirror only it's formed. Okay, that's why this is what? Real. Third point is what? Erect or invert. Now how it is looks like? Downward. If it is upward, you can say erect. Now it is down. Okay, that's why you can write it is inverted. Inverted. The last point, elongated or diminished or same size. Now compared to the object, image size is bigger one. Okay, that's why that is what fourth point is elongate, enlarged. How it is enlarged. Okay, these 4 points you have to write if object is placed between F and C. Okay, next one, fourth, where object is placed between P and F. Okay, this is a concave mirror, as you know. It is concave mirror. Object is placed, okay, between P and F. Okay, it is the object. First ray, look at here, parallel to principal axis and passing through focus. First one over. Look at here. This is incident ray passing through focus. R1 completed. Now in this situation, R2 is not possible. Okay, because of it has to move from the F. There is no choice to move. Okay, that's why which one is involved? Third ray is involved. What is the nature of third? Passing through F. It is incident and also getting reflection in the same path after met the mirror. Now here question is arises. No two rays are met. How image is forms? Now you look at here, the size of this. While going down, it is expanding. If it is expanding endpoint, somewhere it has to be met one place. At the same time here, you extend two reflected rays here. Two reflected rays are met here. Your image is forms. Now you have to write the nature of the image. Now tell me it is a real or virtual. Which image it is? Real or virtual? Okay, it is pole. Where it is formed? Behind. Mirror outside it is formed. Okay, that's why this is virtual image. Virtual image. Virtual image. Next point. Erect, invert. How it is looks like? Upward it is. It is in what? Upward. Okay, that's why this is what? Erect. How it is? Erect. Next, enlarged or diminished or same size. When compared to the object, it is object. How it looks like? Enlarged. What is the nature of this? Enlarged. Okay, this is nature of image if object is kept between P and F. Okay, next condition is behind C. If object is placed behind C, where image is formed, what is the nature of the object? It is a concave mirror. How many rays are involved? Two rays. One is R1 parallel to principal axis and passing through focus. Second one passing through focus, reflector. Yes, parallel to principal axis. Okay, two reflected rays are met one place and their image is formed. Now compared, image is formed here by met two ray diagrams. What is the nature of that? Now first you say real or virtual. Inside the mirror it is formed. Okay, that's why that is what real. Erect or invert, it is downward. Okay, that's why you have to say it is invert. Now if you look at here, when compared to these two, okay, this is a little bit small. Okay, that's why that is what diminished. How it is looks like diminished. Okay, this is about okay, different positions of the object and also nature of image. Okay, before diagrammatically I explained. Okay, now I will explain on the tabular formula. Yes, if object is placed, okay, position of the object, position of image, whether it is elongated or diminished, or image is inverted or erect, or image is real or virtual. As tabular formula we can write. Okay, first one. Okay, object is placed between mirror and F. If you keep the object mirror and F, okay, where image is forms, okay, that is forms on the, okay, behind the mirror. What is the nature of image? Enlarged, erect and virtual. If object is placed on focal point, okay, there is no image is formed. Okay, that's why you have to represent it is what? At infinity. Okay, next one, between F and C. Yes, where image is forms? Image is formed on the behind C, enlarged, inverted and real. If object placed on C, image also formed on the C, and also former image is what? Same in size, and that nature is what? Inverted, and also its nature is what? Real. If you keep the object behind C, where image is forms between F and C, what is the nature of image? Diminished, inverted and real. Okay, next object at infinity, where is the position of the image? That is at focus. Okay, what is the nature of which is formed at one point? Okay, that's why, okay, it is not erect and invert. Okay, it will be on what? Real. Image on infinity. Okay, it is in what? Tabular formula of concave mirror. Yes, different positions object has been kept.